Teacher, page 32.
Yes. Can you see the PowerPoint slide of Teacher Chris right now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So the title is How to Solve Word Problems Involving Combined Operations. We're done with word problems involving addition. We are also done with word problems involving subtraction. So today we're going to combine these two operations, addition and subtraction. Okay, so always remember the steps: analyzing the problem, what do you know, and what do you need to find out. So let's take, for example, the table about vehicle and their prices. Car, van, jeep, and a bus. A transportation company has 1 million baht. The company buys a car and a van. Calculate the amount of money the company has after the purchase. Purchase, everybody say purchase.
Purchase.
Yeah, this one is purchase. The word is purchase, means buy. Calculate means solve or do the working. Calculate or solve or do the working, the amount of money the company has after the buying or the purchase. So first, analyze the problem, and then here's the working. So 1 million baht is the original amount, right? Or the initial amount of money, minus the brackets, open and close parentheses, 450,000 for the price of car and 486,000 for the price of van. The total amount of money spent to buy car and van is 936,000 baht. Initial amount of money is 1 million. Since you know already how much were the car and the van, so the balance of money is the money left. So 64,000 baht. So 64,000 baht after the purchase, the company has this amount of money. And that's, we answered already our question. Do you have questions with our first example?
No.
None. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our next example. Or wait, I want to remind you this. Sometimes you can use this method or way. It's not sentence, it's not full stop, but we are using the colon symbol or punctuation mark. Can you see this colon? The double dot? Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, so instead of writing a very long sentence, you can shorten the words by just writing the important words, group of words like price of car. It's not, the transportation has 1 million baht. So it's like you can say the original amount of money or the initial amount of money and then colon. Then money paid for purchase of car and van, something like that. And then colon. Balance of money and then colon. You don't say anymore the amount of money the company has after the purchase is 64,000 baht and then full stop. You can do that, but it takes a very long time. So I suggest you, if you know how to use phrases or group of words only without full stop, but only using a colon, then use it. But if you don't know it, then you can go back to the usual way, which is using the sentences. Okay? Okay, let's proceed to our practice exercises found on page 1. On page 33. Let's analyze first the problem. Teacher Chris is going to read. A post office delivered 357,986 letters in 2016. Okay, next. The post office also delivered 102,648 more parcels than letters and 85,167 less postcard. Okay, so we have then parcels. So we have 3 things here that the post office are going to be delivered. So wait, before writing the number sentence, you have to do the scratch paper like this, analyzing one by one, like letters, 357,986. And then parcels, we
Teacher,
have,
may I go to the toilet, please?
yes, you may, 102,648.
Teacher, me too. Make go to toilet.
And then this is more than parcels. Look at the parcels. Parcels, more parcels than letters. So you have to add plus more. So this is plus 357,986. How about the postcards? So this is the postcard. The postcards says less postcards than parcels. So you have to write here minus because of the keyword less. So it's 8 minus 85,167. Right? But because it's less than parcels, you can use the parcels. Look at the parcels. This is the parcels, right? Okay. So you're going to write here the postcard should be, wait. Open and close like that. So this should be the parcels. 357,986 plus 102,648 minus 85,167. Okay, so this is, again, I will repeat. This is the number of letters to be delivered by the post office. This is the number of parcels to be delivered by the post office. And this is the number of postcards to be delivered by the post office. Who understood? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now, since we analyzed and understood already, then the question is, how many postcards did the post office deliver in that year? So we're looking for how many postcards. So we're looking for postcards, right? Therefore, we have to copy this. We have to copy this. And this becomes our number sentence. So what's going to be our number sentence? Our number sentence must be 357,986 plus 102,648
Sorry, teacher, I come
minus
now because I have some stomach pain.
85,167 equals. Okay, so this is our number sentence. Okay, get your pencils and right now you can copy this one now, the number sentence. But
Sir,
don't
you forgot the
open and close. I forgot. Thank you. Here. The open parentheses. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. So then you have to erase this scratch paper analysis. Eraser. Okay, now let's continue. You can use either the usual way, which is the sentence, or the colon if you want. But if you want the colon, which is very which is faster, you can do it. Like for example, this is letters, right? So you can just write number of letters, or you can just write letters, then colon, and then 357,986. Okay, that's it. The next, the post office also delivered more parcels. So you can write here, more parcels than letters, colon. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to delete this one. Okay.
teacher. I did one more particle than letter.
Letters, then go away, move a little bit so that they are aligned, properly aligned. Three, 5, 7, 9, 8, 6. Okay, and then more parcels than letters. It's 102, 648. So you notice that it's not a sentence, or it doesn't have a full stop, but we have colon. Okay, we can use this method if you want. And
Teacher,
then
I did one.
you have to copy what I'm writing right now. We have to copy the same. And then less. So this is this is the number of parcels now. Parcels. So to get the parcels, so you have to add this first. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. This is 14. And then 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 1. So 13. Carry 1. 16. Carry 1. Comma. 10. Carry 1. 6. No carry. and 4. So we got the number of parcels. Okay. So this is the number of parcels. Okay. Next is how to get the number of postcard. You subtract 85,167. So you can write here less postcard